Danette. We're in the Culinary Academy here today. We're making Anzac Biscuits. I've got Neil, my culinary chef here. Neil, tell me what's in the bowl. What have we got happening?
Absolutely. In the bowl for our Anzac Biscuits, got a little bit of plain flour, some shredded coconut, brown sugar, we've got some oats, and then I've melted a little bit of butter, golden syrup, a little bit of water, and got some whisked in some bicarb soda for a raising agent. So I'm just going to pour that straight in the bowl.
Oh, it looks nice and foamy, Neil.
Yep, nothing too complicated. That's the bicarb soda doing its thing.
And smells delicious.
Certainly does. And yeah, just to prevent your hands from getting too sticky, and it is still a little bit hot in there, just going to mix it around. Once you get to this stage, we can start moulding it into little balls, little shapes to go in our tray. I'll just roll them into little balls, about that shape, or make them as big as you want, straight on the tray. And we can give them just a little bit of a push down and just leave them. We can just continue rolling, and you just want to leave a little bit of a space between each ball, each cookie dough, because they will expand. All right guys, so I've got them all rolled out on a tray. I'm going to pop these into an oven about 170 degrees, give or take 15 to 20 minutes. A little tip, just to get them perfect, so they spread out nice and evenly. I'll put them in for about 5 minutes and they'll soften up, and I'll just get a little bit of a palette knife and sort of squash them out a little bit and mould them if required, and then I'll put them back in and finish them off, and they'll come out perfect every time. So here you have it, Anzac Biscuits.
Super easy, classic Australian recipe. Give it a go.